Hey, middle schoolers. I'm super excited about school starting here in just a few days, and I hope that everyone got their schedules in the mail last week, and you're starting to get a little excited as well. So get out there, get those school supplies, and reach out if you have any questions or concerns or anything that you need to, help with. We'll be more than happy to help here in the office. So I did want to talk a little bit about schedules. You should have gotten that schedule in the mail. I do want you to go ahead and look at that. Make sure it has the classes that you chose and that it has a locker combination on there as well. And so you're going to want to keep that paper so that you know where to go the first day and you also remember your locker combination. This is the junior high schedule. We went over it last year when you were in 6th grade and we did some pre-enrollment. We kind of talked a little bit about 7th grade and what that all looks like. 7th and 8th grade. So we're going to have your block schedule again in the morning, 1st through 4th period, and then you'll go to lunch, and then you'll have your electives in the afternoon. All right, 7th and 8th graders, if you have a schedule change, we need to get that done. So your choices were band, vocal, or both. You could choose whichever one of those combinations that you would like to do. They are required, though. And then if you wanted to say, like, let's say you decided you wanted to do both, but maybe you didn't want to do band next year after the summer, then you need to have your parents reach out to me is one way. They can reach out an email or phone call and let me know that you're wanting to switch that. Or you can print off the schedule change request form that's in your email and attached with this video. You can fill it out, and if you're under the age of 18, you need to make sure that you sign it and your parent signs it. And then you can take a picture of that and either email it to me or you can bring it into the counseling center. So whichever is the most convenient for you. So either email me and let me know, or you're going to do that schedule change request form. The last day to change schedules will be Thursday, August 19th. Then on Friday, August 20th, they will be set in stone and there'll be no more changes. I do want to remind you 7th graders that are watching that 7th grade orientation is August 10th from 7 to 8 and it's at the theater. We'll go through a few things. We will meet the teachers, and we're going to give you some time to work on your locker combinations and make sure that they work. And you can also take time to go around the school and find your classrooms. So the teachers will be kind of hanging out right in front of their classrooms and you can kind of go from classroom to classroom and make sure you know where you're going. So it's kind of a great night to just get a feel for the school and how that first day is going to look. And then the first day of school for 7th and 8th grade is going to be August 12th at 8:15. There's free school lunch and breakfast again this year. So feel free to come a few minutes early, around 8 or 8:05, and you can have some breakfast before you start your day. So I can't wait to see you all.